What's this nasty thing you guys are looking at? Look at that. That thing is just nasty. I just wanted to post a video so you can see how dirty this solution formula that I created to actually clean these. A lot of people don't pay attention to them. Your seatbelts. There's a few stains there that didn't take off, but out of 4 seatbelts, this came out of it. I'm gonna post a picture of actually the before of what this jug looks like when I actually put new formula. So the before and after. So this is the after, and you guys will see what it looks like before. So I'm gonna post another video and a picture of it. But yeah, all this nasty stuff came out through our seatbelts. Now this is number one thing that a lot of people and a lot of detailers forget to clean. Pay attention to little details to get to the best results.